Our last song is an original song. It's called What Shine. And our CD is available only $10 little, ladies and gentlemen. Grab one in the front. It goes a little something like this.
When we first met,